2020 Kia Forte GT, 2020 Kia Forte GT line, 2020 Kia Forte GT Turbo, bite-size sports sedan, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Kia brand. The title of an article we take is 2020 Kia Forte GT, 2020 Kia Forte GT line, 2020 Kia Forte GT Turbo, bite-size sports sedan, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Kia Forte GT, 2020 Kia Forte GT line, 2020 Kia Forte GT Turbo, bite-size sports sedan, new cars by. With the Tuesday unveiling in Las Vegas of its 2020 Forte GT, Kia's new four-door has insider knowledge of its closest rival. That's because the 2019 Kia Forte GT is identical under its skin to the Hyundai Elantra Sport. The two compact sedans built by the same parent company share a 201 horsepower turbo 4 that powers the front wheels through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. The Forte GT also makes use of an upgraded independent rear suspension design borrowed from the Elantra Sport that stands in contrast to the comparatively simple twist-beam rear axle in other trim levels of the two cars. Where the Forte GT stands apart from its Elantra Sport sibling is in its styling. The Forte GT is offered only as a sedan, unlike the Elantra that can be ordered as either a 4-door or as a 5-door hatchback. Special 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in either all-season tires or high-performance Michelin sport tires, LED headlights, and a black grille with red highlights help the Forte GT stand apart from less powerful versions of Kia's compact sedan. Inside, the Forte GT features a special flat-bottom steering wheel design wrapped in leather, synthetic leather trim with contrasting piping on its sports seats, and LED interior lights. A power moonroof is optional on the Forte GT. Kia did not announce pricing or an on-sale date for the 2019 Forte GT, although it's safe to assume it will cost more than the roughly $23,000 the automaker charges for the Forte X trim level with its 147 horsepower inline 4. Thanks.